So, Motorola kind of tipped its hand this week. A Lenovo internal database leak shared by Evan Blast didn't just tease one or two phones, it quietly laid out almost the entire Motorola 2026 lineup, budget stuff, mid-range staples, premium experiments, the whole stack, and buried right in the middle of all that is the phone most people here are excited about, Moto G Stylus 2026. Internally, it's being referenced as Dallas 26. What this does confirm is that the Moto G Stylus is firmly baked into Motorola's 2026 plans. It's not being replaced, it's not being quietly dropped, it's moving forward as expected. Right after that confirmation, Motorola's broader stylus plan starts to make more sense. There's a separate premium stylus phone coming very soon, the Motorola Signature. This is Motorola's first real attempt at a flagship built around stylus input. Early information points to top-tier hardware, Snapdragon 8 Gen 5 performance, premium materials, and a serious camera setup. The expected announcement window sits in early January, so we're talking days, not months. And this is where the Moto G Stylus 2026 comes back into focus. When stylus support becomes important at the flagship level, it usually reshapes everything underneath it. Software tools mature, note-taking improves, palm rejection and latency get tuned properly. Even if the Moto G Stylus 2026 doesn't overhaul its hardware, the day-to-day stylus experience could still benefit as Motorola aligns its stylus ecosystem across price tiers. From what's surfaced so far, the Stylus 2026 sticks closely to Motorola's established mid-range formula. Flat display, practical proportions, slim bezels, that familiar leather-like textured back. This doesn't feel like a reset year, it feels like refinement. Motorola tightening the design and waiting for the software side to do more of the heavy lifting. Beyond stylus phones, the rest of the lineup looks predictable. Moto G 2026 and Moto G Play 2026 appear to be early launches already showing up in leaks. Moto G Power 2026 follows shortly after with its battery-first focus. On the higher end, phones like the Moto X70 Air Pro, likely launching globally as the Edge 70 Pro, are leaning into periscope cameras and heavier AI-driven imaging, but bringing it back to the point that actually matters, with Moto G Stylus 2026 locked into Motorola's internal roadmap, and the company now committing to stylus phones at both the affordable and flagship ends. This doesn't feel accidental, it feels deliberate. And that's what makes the Stylus 2026 worth watching. Peace.